Hi, it's Steve from PartSelect. Today we're going to show you how to change the latch assembly on your dishwasher, and it's a really easy job. All we're going to need is a number 20 Torx screwdriver and a small flat blade screwdriver. Let me show you how we do it. Now, to do this repair, we will be working near some electrical circuits, so we'll need to disconnect power to the dishwasher. So locate the fuse panel or breaker panel and turn the power off at that source. And next we're going to open the dishwasher door fully, and we're going to have to remove all of the number 20 Torx screws that hold the inner door panel to the outer door panel. And just support that control panel to the inner door panel as you remove the last screw. Then we're going to lift up on that inner door panel and tilt it up enough that we can actually pull the latch assembly out and then disconnect the two wire harnesses that are attached to the switches. Now those harnesses are on there very tight, so take your flat blade screwdriver and just go in and pry against the switch to pop them loose. And now that we have the old latch assembly out and in our hands, you'll note that we will have to remove the handle and reattach it to the new latch assembly. Now the easiest way to do that is to take this whole assembly and then just press it onto the latch that protrudes from the dishwasher tub, which will basically lock it into position. Now to remove the old handle, there are two tabs located here and here that we'll need to push down, and you can do that by just pressing on the handle, and that will allow those to slide all the way down where they can pop through that opening. Then next, using our flat blade screwdriver, we'll go right through this little area here, and we're going to pry outward on that handle to release this other pin. Now you need to apply a fair bit of force to that, and then that will pop out. And then we'll do the exact same to the opposite side to pull this one out. And that will release the old handle. So we'll set that aside. Now to remove the old latch assembly, take that flat blade screwdriver and then press in on that portion of the cam while prying out on the latch, and that will release it. Discard the old assembly. And we're going to take the new latch, and again we're just going to snap it right onto the catch. Now to reinstall the handle, we'll start by inserting the two center pins first. Just set them into that opening. Then pull upwards on the handle until it locks them in place. And then we're going to push down and rotate those two pins into the openings. And to do that, we're going to employ our flat blade screwdriver for a little bit of leverage. How did you do that? Now to insert the two bottom pins, we're going to rotate that handle down as we push over on that center portion and drop one pin into place. And then we'll use our flat blade again and pry over on the opposite side, pull the handle all the way over and drop it into the second hole. Now at this point, both of these large pins should be into the respective holes on the bottom, and the two smaller pins fitted into the opening on the top. should be able to lift up on that handle and pull the whole assembly out. Now we can reinstall it in the... Now to install the new latch assembly onto the door, we'll need to locate these two pins with those two little sockets. And we'll just pop into place. That will allow that to pivot, and the screw hole should line up on the top. Next, we'll reconnect the harnesses. Make sure they're fully inserted onto the switch. And then we can close the inner door panel onto the outer door panel. Make sure the latch opening lines up with the opening in the inner door panel. And then we can replace the screws. Now with the inner door panel reinstalled, we can check the operation of that latch. We're now ready to reconnect the power, and our repair is complete. I told you it was an easy job. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your repair.